Do you want to add picture in Messenger Story? You can add photo on Messenger Story with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To add a photo to Messenger Story, first, open the Messenger app on your mobile device. Once you're on Messenger, tap the Chats tab if you aren't already there. At the top of the screen, tap the plus icon in the Create Story section. Now you are on the story creation screen. Here, you will see your device's gallery pictures and videos. Browse your gallery and select the photo you want to upload to your Messenger Story. After selecting the photo, you can add text, music, stickers, or draw on it if needed. Once your editing is done, tap the Share Now button at the bottom of the screen. Your photo will now be uploaded to your Messenger Story. Friends on Messenger will be able to view it for 24 hours.